Hello guys, so today's topic is about money management. So as we know, nowadays it's very important to manage our expenses and the finances because recently I have been spending a lot of money due to some or the other reasons. So this month literally I have spent like a 3 lakh plus amount. Yeah, it was not like just doing shopping and everything. I just bought the laptop and iPhone, and which I needed since so long. So that is fine, and some of were the like investments and everything. So just I thought like why don't we make a video on money management? Nowadays everyone is in require of that finance management basically. So I have gone through multiple applications, which will give user friendly UI structure where we can properly manage our finances. And we can basically track our daily expenses. So this money manager application is, I just felt is very user friendly, and its UI structure is also good. So anyone can use it very conveniently. So I will just give you a rough idea how we can track our finances over there with an example, and so that you can also track your finances very well in that applications. So without further ado, let's start it. Application. So I'm opening this money management application. So let's start it. Okay, so if we go in this plus sign, we have to add the income. So suppose I have an income of amount, let me go here and add the amount. Suppose I have 90,000 as my monthly salary, suppose. So the category whatever you want, you can choose it, like allowance, salary, pretty cash, bonus, others, and also currently I will choose as salary. So account will be like a bank account, and note maybe I will add as a salary, monthly salary. Okay, so I'm going to save this. Okay, so after saving this, you need to again click on this plus button. Now you have to add your expenses, like anything you can see. Suppose I will just add my expenses for this month. So if I tell about my expenses, I have bought 48,000 rupees of. I have bought the laptop worth 48,000. So category would be I think what it should be, social. No, not social. Okay, currently I will just give it as a other. So guys, if you don't have any categories mentioned over here, you can click on this add and write anything like laptop, like this, anything you can add it as a sub option and click on the save. So currently I will be doing it as other. So account will be, so my money has been deducted from the bank account, so I will just add it as a card. Here I will just give some note like a laptop purchase. Okay, so save it. As you can see from here, from this expenses, the amount has got reduced and the total amount has got now 42,000. Again you need to click on the plus and just select the date as you want. So I just missed previously when did I taken that laptop. So currently I will show you. Now I think I have bought the laptop on 15th, since there was a huge Amazon sale. So on the 16th of July, I have done some shopping of 20,000. So I can put here as a 20,000. Category would be like this, apparels, clothing. So 10,000 clothing and 10,000 I have bought the Ray-Ban sunglasses. So account I will add as a card. I will just do clothes, just save it. Okay, and now on the 5th of the July, I have paid my room rent, which is of 5,000 only. So I will just add it as it comes under what, household dues, right? So if I see here, rent, this is a rent. Okay, account will be like a card again. This will be room rent, and save it. So after this, as you can see, how, like after adding this kind of amounts, it started reducing the total amount what I was having as the income. So likewise you can keep on adding your expenses day to day or monthly, weekly, and these all stuff like this. So if I tell you more about this application, you can see here there is an option as a stats. Here you can see all the stats over here, and account here, the liabilities and everything you can see. After that, calendar, through the calendar also you can see on which day how much cost I have been added. Monthly expenses, you can see here this way there is the option of what like viewing this page from the monthly, and overall a summary you can add it over here, and the notes if you want you can see it over here. Go to more options, and if you scroll down here you can set the alarms also. So if here you can read, you can now set the alarm directly on Monday. Money manager, therefore money manager would remind you at your selected time of the day to key in your date. Also, if the UI of this, you can change it from like from the dark mode, system mode, light mode. You can change the colors. So I like the dark mode, so I am choosing this as the style of this UI screen. Also you can change the application icon. Currently I have kept this as the icon. And also if you want to take the backup of all the data monthly, you can click on this backup, and you can export this in the iCloud backup, and export backup files to the email. Also you can export data to the Excel sheet. So these are all the options you can see for the backup purpose. And so if we go above, you can like see, you can also download and just explore these all the options. Currently I have not gone through all of these options, but yeah, I have been. So also subcategories, if you want to add the subcategories for particular item, you can add the subcategories from here. So as you can see at the first option for the food, they have added lunch, dinner, eating out, beverages, like this option. So suppose I want to add one more sub options for this food, I can click on this plus button and click here as suppose breakfast, and save it. So you can see this breakfast is has came as a sub option for this food category. Here one more is there, you can set the budget, you know, like after setting on this, go to budget settings. Okay, and you can set the budget, like suppose monthly you want to set the budget for particular food category. So like for this food apparel, so click on this clothing section. So you can see here the clothing section, you can click on this clothing section. So if you want to set the budget, like suppose for the shopping, you want to set the budget for this month, I have to do shopping only about 2000 rupees as a shopping. So you can save this budget, so you will understand that within this budget I need to do the shopping. And so with this budget you will be able to set that you have set like, so if you set the budget as 2000, you will understand that this is not in my budget and I have to control my expenses. So this is very good option, you can add it over here. Here you can see the statistics in the pictorial form. You will be able to see here the statistics, how it works. So like see, suppose June, July, right? July month. So if you see for the July, you can see the statistics. So here you can see for others I have spent 65% of my income, and rent is 6.8, and the clothing and rest of the shopping it is of 27.4%. So you from here it is also easy for us to see from this diagram that how much amount we have spent on which particular section. So based on this we can handle our expenses next time. So here, so this is it guys. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.